Okay, you guys, again, this is the AISI Queen's Afro wig. As I always say for black women. It's short, kinky, curly, and it's brown with blonde. And it's not as soft as the other one, but it does come with clips. The other one didn't have a clip. 2 clips in the front and then the adjustable strap in the back. And I did this backwards, you guys. I started showing you guys the wig while it was on and stuff before I, yeah. So I'm doing it backwards, so easy to put on. Look, she ready to go, okay? And once again, this is wig number 2 of my cheap synthetic wigs from Amazon series. I'll be back at you tomorrow with another one. Again, I'm wearing the same thing as I had with the other wig, you guys, but that's because I did 2 videos in one day. I'm working on my time management, you guys. That's it, and that's all. Okay? Okay? I'm trying to see what else I could do with this. Because I had it back, like, you guys will see how I had it. You guys will see. You guys will see. Feel like Regina. You know who Regina is, you guys? Scarface sister with the afro. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified. Ooh, every time I upload a video. And as usual, stay blessed. Can't try to make a messy style neat, huh? I'm out, you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And you guys, this is day 2 of my Amazon cheap synthetic wigs. And so far, you guys, I'm showing you guys all the big ones now. Like the big fluffy ones. Get those out of the way. This is kind of cute though. It's in, ooh, jeez Louise. It needs to be cut. Yes, it does. And it's about to be cut. Yes, it is. Hopefully I don't make it look, okay. That's looking better. Needs to be nice and messy. Let's cut this side too. And this wig is from AISI Queens, AISI Queens Afro wigs. I don't even know why they say for black women, because white women be trying to wear these afros too, so they need to stop it. Oh, it look better now it's been cut, you guys. Look, cut a little bit more off right here. Oh yeah, that will work. A little bit more off over here too. Yes, and the color is brown mixed blonde, and it's of course synthetic hair. This is my synthetic series. Well, y'all, I like this messy look. Child, my husband come home, get 2 new looks. Actually, 6 new looks. And this hair isn't as soft as the hair was yesterday, but then again, it doesn't really have to be because it's a messy look. That. It's okay. Again, I am not a fan of big hair. But I guess it could be a vibe for like if you're going on vacation and you want to do something new and you're by the beach and stuff and you don't want to have to worry about no hair. Ooh, even if I pin some of this up like this. Oh, that's a cute little vibe right there, you guys. It surely is. Hold up, hold up. But then you see all that right there. This is not a, there's no lace on this either, but you gotta be, okay, just gotta pull it back gently, I guess. Or pin it a little bit. Oh, that's kind of cute. Yep, I forgot to show you guys what the construction looks like underneath, and I will do that in 1 second. When you guys see it, it'll look like it's in order, though. I feel like, y'all remember the movie Scarface? His little sister, I think her name was Gina. Yeah, her name was Gina. Her hair was like this. It's in the club. Hey, she thought she was getting it. Nose all powdered up. That's one of my all-time movies, you guys. So I think I might need, it's messy, but you know, I think I'm just leave it alone. But yeah, you guys, oh my goodness. And it seemed like it might need to be cut in the back some more. And that's exactly what I'm about to do. Because we're not doing the shag. The shag. Oh, no, 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 no. Not the shag. The shag. Yeah, cut some of this off. Because it is a shag, y'all. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Cut. And of course, I can see the backpack. But you guys can. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And I'm guessing if you put some mousse in it or something. But this is like a cute little vibe, you guys. Wait, let me get some bobby pins. Hold up, hold up. Okay, you guys, I'm back and I got some bobby pins, bobby pins, bobby pins. Let's see if this will stand a bobby pin out this dang on here. Nope, I'm gonna need more than one bobby pin. This stretching my poor little bobby pin. Okay, there we go. Okay, guys, I'm back. That's kind of cool. I put this behind the ear, you guys. Making that look so bushy. Oh, look at that. If I could have pinned this up some type of way, because it does look good back too. Uh-oh. Okay, you guys. Let me see. And yep, I said this is the AISI Queen's Afro wig for black women. And it's short, kinky curly, and it's full brown, and it's brown mixed blonde. You guys, I'm recording off of my iPhone because I don't know how to use my camera yet. But I will learn. And my phone rang back to back. If I wasn't doing anything, this is a messy thing. I'm just going to leave it. I'm trying to make it neat. And it's a messy style. There we go. And I may have messed some of these curls up, but it's, oh well. Yep, and this one was $21.99. Pretty cheap, huh? Pretty cheap. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Yeah, this is a lot. It's a lot of hair. Okay, with that being said, that is it. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the construction. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I showed you guys in the beginning the wig whatever. Y'all know what I mean. It's 4:20 today. So thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And as usual, stay blessed.